Good morning. I am Dr. M. Fatima from Saga Institute of Research and Technology. Today I am taking graph plotting in different colors on MATLAB. So see here, I want to plot the sine and cosine wave in different colors in a single figure. For this, the program I can write. First of all, I define an array with the help of command linspace. Within parentheses, write 0, comma 2 pi, comma 100. So this linspace command will give the value between 0 to 2 pi and 100 values it is going to give. Then I write a equal to sine of t. So this command will calculate the 100 values of sine of t, where the value of this t is equal to these values. So with the help of the subplot command, I can write, I can draw different figures in a single figure. For that, I wrote here subplot 2 comma 2 comma 1. That is, this 2 is showing the number of rows, this 2 is showing the number of columns, and this one is showing. Now the following graph will be plotted on number 1. So the following graph is, let it be plot within parenthesis a comma, and here the red color is written. Actually, for the plotting of any figure, the plot command is used. So plot command is here, and syntax is within parentheses. Write the variable of the plot which you want to plot. Like here, I wrote here a. See here, this is a. So this a is actually the values, 100 values of sine of t. So that 100 values of sine of t will be plotted here. And then here I wrote here R. R. This R is written to draw the plot, or to draw this sine wave in red color with the help of a star. And so star is written here. Next, I wrote b equal to cos of t. So b is the variable and here a is the variable where the value of sine of t are assigned and where the value of cos of t are assigned respectively. This a and b here, these are the variables which you can take any like x, y, z, or b, c, d, e, f, g, h, any variable value. So I here take b is as the variable. So b equal to cosine of t. This command, cos command, will calculate the value for the cos, and t within parenthesis t is written for the different values of t. Here the different values are 100 values. So this command will calculate the cosine value for 100 values of t. Now next, I want to plot this cosine of t. So I wrote here subplot 2 comma 2. This is showing number of rows, number of columns, and number of this 2 is showing the following command will be plotted on number 2. So I wrote here plot b is the cos of t, and I want to draw this plot in yellow color. So I wrote y and star within apostrophe. This y is showing the yellow color and star is showing, with the help of the star, the plot will be plotted with the help of this star. So let us we do it on MATLAB. Just wait. Now I want to show these commands on MATLAB and want to show the sine wave and cosine wave in different colors within a single figure. So first of all, I am writing a t equal to t is equal to linspace within parentheses. Here, this it should be L. Linspace within parentheses, write the range like from 0 to 2 into pi. Then give comma and the number of values which you want to calculate. So I'm taking a 100. So this is going to calculate the 100 values. So I want to show this command. Now you can see here this command has calculated from 1 to 100 values. Here this is 1 from column 1 is from 0 and going onwards and till 100. This one last value is this 100th value. This is the 100 value. Okay. So this command give the 100 values. So it is not compulsory to give only 100. You can give any value here. Like I calculate here 100 values between 0 to 2 pi. You can take 50 values, 10 values, whatever you want to take. So I want to, first I want to clear the screen. For this, the command is CLC. Now the screen is cleared. Now again, I want to plot this to calculate this one, but I am writing here semicolon. So the command will be executed, but the results will be hide. With the help of the semicolon, we can hide the results. Now I want to calculate the value of sine wave. So I'm writing here x equal to sine of t, or you can write a equal to whatever you like to put. You can write A, B, C, D. You can write X, Y, Z. I'm writing here A. Since I wrote A in PPT also. So here, this is going to calculate the value, 100 values for sine of t. I want to show here. So you can see here, these are the 100 values for sine of t, right? So first, I want to clear this screen so that we can see easily. Yes. I want to write the semicolon here. So both of these commands will be executed and the results are hidden. Now I want to plot this sine wave, and let's first we calculate the cosine wave also. Sine, or not sine, cos. For the cosine, the command is cos, write cos of t. Again, for the 100 values of t, here the cosine values will be calculated. So see, now I want to plot these sine wave and cos waves in different colors within a single window, within a single figure. So subplot, command is subplot. You can see here the recommendations are also coming. You can select the recommendations also. Subplot. Within parentheses, write the number of rows, comma, number of columns. I wrote here 2 and 2. That is, I want to draw the, I want to make 2 rows and 2 columns for the figure, and the following figure will be plotted on number 1, comma. Now plot, I want to write here the x-axis variable, let it be t, comma, a, and I want to draw this sine wave. What is A? A is actually sine wave, sine of t. So I want to plot the sine of t with the help of red color and take a star. I want to plot the sine wave in red color with the help of stars. So now enter it. Now see, the figure is going to come here. Yes, now the figure is appearing here. So you can see here, the figure is drawn, and it is of red color and with the help of the stars. You can see here with the help of stars. Just wait. Yes, this is with the help of the asterisk. Okay. Or resume to see. Now, okay. So first figure has been drawn here. Now I want to draw the cosine. So I'm going to write again subplot within parenthesis 2 comma 2, that is number of rows and number of columns. Now 2. So I want to draw the following graph on the number 2. So write plot. Now I want to plot the cosine. So t is the number, t is these 100 values. For these 100 values, I want to plot this cosine wave. So t comma b. Now I want to draw this with the help of green color with the help of plus sign. Write this G for the green color and plus within apostrophe. Now close the parenthesis. Now enter it. Now see, you can see here the green graph has come. I want to show you this graph. Now you can see this is on the number 1. The sine wave is plotted with the help of red color. And here you can see the cosine wave is plotted in green color. And this is plotted with the help of the plus sign. See here, check. I want to check here. First, so see here, this plot is drawn with the help of plus sign. Okay. And this is plotted with the help of star sign. See here, this is plotted with the help of asterisk. This is plotted with the help of plus sign. And it is of green color and this is of red color. Okay. Now, resume these graphs, resume it. I want to resume this graph also. Okay. Now, come back to the command window. Now, see. Now, I want to minimize this. Okay. Now, I want to plot. I want to plot this sine wave with some other color. So now I'm using subplot command again. Now I want to draw this with the help of the magenta color M. Okay. And draw this plot on number 3. I want to plot the cosine wave. You can see here the cosine wave will B is the cosine wave. So cosine wave will be going to plot with the help of magenta color. For the magenta color, the symbol is M. M is using for this. So now see, check it. Now you can see here. So you can see here that this plot is drawn, the cosine wave is drawn in magenta color and it is now on number 3. So you can see here, this is one row, this is another row, and this is one column and this is another column. So I am drawing the figures in 2 by 2 within a, I am drawing these graphs within a figure number 1. And I can draw here 4 figures as I have given the command 2, 2 in subplot command. Now, I want to draw the sine wave with some other color. So I have taken here A. Instead of taking this R color, let it be yellow color. And with the help of the asterisk or with the help of minus sign is also possible to draw with this. Now draw this plot on number 4. Okay. So see, now check out. Let us check out now. You can see here. So you can see here the sine wave is drawn in yellow color. And this is drawn with the help of asterisk sign. See here. Let us check here. Now you can see this is drawn with the help of the asterisk sign. But here you can see this is drawn with the help of the plus sign, right? Okay. Now, move it to its original state. Now, so you can see the 4 figures are drawn within a single figure, 4 plots, 4 graphs are drawn.